Hi, this is Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and today we are at beautiful Disney Springs. Just wait until you see everything this place has to offer. Come join us as we do a little shopping and maybe even get a snack.
Disney Springs has so much to offer in the way of dining, shopping, and entertainment that we couldn't even fit all of our footage into one video. So check back for part 2 of our Disney Springs tour. Now, just among some of the offerings of Disney Springs are a really great movie theater, as well as a luxury bowling alley called Splitsville. There's also a rainforest cafe, which is a lot of fun for kids and adults alike. The outdoor entertainment venue is a great performing location for choirs and bands from around the country. There's even these cool little retro cars that drive through the water. On the day we visited Disney Springs, we parked in the orange parking garage. We rode the escalator down to the entrance of Disney Springs and walked right next to Splitsville. Around the corner from Splitsville was a really cute little candy store called the Candy Cauldron that's themed after Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Of course, the Candy Cauldron had poison apples, along with a lot of other cute and I'm sure very tasty treats. If you're a fan of the Marvel Cinematic Universe, there's a great store that sells apparel and other collectibles for comics fans. They had a really neat selection of magic bands available that highlighted many popular Marvel characters. The Groot Magic Band was one of the newest and cutest that we saw, but I'm always going to select Black Widow. I'll always choose Black Widow. For fans of the Star Wars franchise, you can visit the Galactic Outpost that has a lot of cool apparel as well as the opportunity to build your own lightsaber. These light-up ears would be really cute for Star Wars Galactic Nights. Galactic Outpost also had a great selection of magic bands, including a lot of limited release from Solo: A Star Wars Story. Of course, Disney Springs has a Starbucks. It also has a really nice Disney-style store, which has all kinds of cute apparel and accessories for Disney fans. The Swap My Bow ear collection allows you to change the bow on your mini ears as often as you want to in order to honor all of your favorite Disney characters. There was also a really great selection of Disney Princess Spirit jerseys. One of our favorite places to visit was the Ghirardelli Chocolate Shop. We had these amazing ice cream sundaes.
So good. So good.
That's good.
The Disney Corner was a really cute shop for younger Disney fans. They had an ample selection of Disney princess dress-up apparel as well as other souvenirs and fun toys for kids.
This is the proper Little Mermaid dress. It's pink.
That does it for part 1 of our tour of Disney Springs. Join us next time to look at a lot of other cool shops as well as learn how you can design your own magic band. We'll visit the Disney store where we'll look at a lot of cool memorabilia and collectibles. We'll also look at some incredibly impressive Lego sculptures. And we might even check out 1 or 2 more yummy treats. And for those of you who love Christmas all year long like I do, we'll check out the Disney Christmas store as well. I hope you'll join us soon. Thank you guys for watching.